Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that gold is showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now from the monthly, we can see that gold previous months had a very strong rejection from this monthly resistance level. Gold created an overextended market, triggered a huge liquidity, and then gold has created this bearish engulfer. Now with that monthly bearish engulfer, gold has engulfed the previous monthly candle completely. As a result, this month we have seen that after a little pullback, gold has another rejection towards the downside. Now with that rejection, currently the price below this monthly support. And what I think that as we see there is a trigger of liquidity, we could see that gold is dropping further towards the downside. As we see currently the price is in a downtrend. If we look at the weekly time frame to see overall picture in the market, now weekly we can see that the same thing. There is a strong liquidity gap here, created this massive drop followed by this correction. We saw back to back couple of weeks of consolidation and deceleration. Now in that deceleration, what we see that the price tested this significant support zone here below this long week candle, which is an important level of support term resistance. With this long week doji, the price has tested this support as a resistance, followed by next week we saw lower high and again another lower high. So back to back, quite a few weeks of lower high signaling potential downtrend. And as a result, we saw previous week massive breakdown on gold. Now, this week we see that so far, once the market opened, initial movement to the upside, the price has reached this support zone here, which is turning resistance. And from that zone, we saw that gold is rejecting towards the downside. Now, with that rejection, what we can expect on gold to continue to drop to create new lower low. Now, if we look at the daily, we can see a bit more clearer picture on the daily time frame on gold. Now this is the daily price action. This is the massive drop, correction, drop, correction. The price is creating series of lower high and lower low, which is a typical downtrending market structure. Now what we see that in that zone, this is the daily. After creating a double top formation, gold has another drop, and we saw the price whenever reaching that resistance, this dynamic resistance zone, the price is creating long week candle. This is the daily doji here on gold, which in fact we saw initially a liquidity gap here, has gone to the upside. Liquidity gap here again has broken towards the downside. Now with this strong breakdown, gold has completely broken this daily support level. If you draw this support, now we see that once the price below the support, last day of trading week had a very strong movement to the upside, created a long week candle, followed by previous day we saw that there is a daily doji. Now there is a significant in this candle. On the daily we see lower high with the previous day, and in this retest of this support as a resistance, lower high means that buyers are getting weaker, and also there is a long week means there is a rejection. Now as a result, today we saw that once the market opened, the buyers tried to break the high, again creating a lower high, and the price is rejecting from that level. That means that we can expect gold finally break to the downside. As we see that this is a long-term downtrending market, the price is testing this support as a resistance, getting rejected, creating a lower high for further probability to drop. Now, looking at further lower time frame from 4 hour, we see that this is the local resistance line on gold, and with that resistance, the price respecting this level, creating a lower high. That means that sellers getting stronger and stronger, buyers getting weaker. Now, this current session candle, as you have seen, has gone up again, tested this level. Again, the price is trying to drop. Now, what I think that slowly we could see that gold is melting to the downside to create a new lower low, and in that movement we could see gold might continue to drop towards its long-term downtrend. Now, looking at 15 minutes price action to see how it is doing now. As you can see, we had a live trade today along this zone, which massive profit on this one. Now we will be waiting for, as you can see, the price is respecting this resistance line, and also it is forming series of higher low. I will be waiting for a strong liquidity grab from this level. As soon as you will find suitable entry on the lower time frame after strong liquidity grab, when the gold will prepare for another drop, we will consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't hesitate to leave a comment below to help this idea. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.